BMW 8 Series, both to Immobiliser. On the vehicle. If I go to start the car, it switches on. If I go to reverse or drive, it will shut the system down. Now if I restart the engine again, I can enter the current password. So for demonstration, I've set it to the plus pedal 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your 2 indications at the top. That allows you to now move and drive the vehicle as needs be. Now if I return back, if I wanted to change the password for this car, I'm going to press the start button 3 times. No feet on the pedals whatsoever. 1, 2, 3. Now switches on. I can input the current password. It's going to give me my 2 acknowledgement flashes. There we go. Now what we're going to do, accelerate the pedal all the way down to the floor. Password again. Once we get the acknowledgement flashes, we can now release our pedal, and it allows stays flashing, ready for a new password. Obviously on here, we can now enter a new password. Obviously we have minus, plus on here. We have the 3 on the bottom as well. Obviously for a demonstration, I'm going to set it back to the same button. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to now flash 3 times as acknowledgement. I'm going to do password again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to flash 2 times to confirm it, or 4 times if it's wrong. If it was wrong, you repeat the process from the start again. If now we've obviously got our 2 flashes, we can now switch the vehicle off. That is now the password for this car. So I'm going to simply start the engine up, test the password again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to give me flashes. There we go. Now for service mode, obviously you start your engine up, you drive to your destination on where you're going to be getting it done. Now traction control on this vehicle 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will start flashing at the top. 5 flashes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is now in service mode. So if I switch the car off, you hand the vehicle keys over to them, they carry out the work. Obviously once you return to the vehicle, all you do, put your foot on the brake, start the engine back up, and now if we go and put our password back in, it will now give us our flashes at the top. There you go. That has now reactivated the ghost back in, and now every time you turn the car on and off again, it needs the password in order to start the vehicle. So now if I switch off, that's a full demonstration on this car.